Hey guys, I'm back with another video. I hope you are doing incredibly well today. I am so excited for today's video because I feel like everyone loves Amazon. It's the easiest place to shop and there are so many good finds that you can get from Amazon. Before we get into the video though, I do have to say, please give this video a thumbs up if you like it. Please hit that subscribe button so you can continue coming back and hanging out with me. I post once a week. Next week I'll be posting my Nordstrom. Actually later this week I'll probably be posting my Nordstrom 2021 anniversary sale pics. If you don't know much about the sale, watch my video from last week where I kind of explain everything and kind of explain how the sale works and things to look for, tips and tricks to prepare. I will say I can tell already that the sale store inventory is kind of like not the greatest, so I definitely think online shopping is the way to go. If you follow me over in the Like to Know It app and on my Instagram, which I'll put here, you'll see what I've had my eye on, and I've been kind of curating some looks that I think are really easy to shop. The sale can be overwhelming. Again, I think you really just need to take a look at what you really need and only pick up a few things that you actually need or an item or two that you want to splurge on. So without further ado, let's get into this little Amazon haul. So I have to say for this Amazon haul, it's a little bit of just kind of a little bit random. A lot of it's products that I've been using for probably honestly 2 years now at least. I figured since it was my first one, I would kind of compile everything that I love. I did get a few things in like this lounge set, but let me know in the comments below if you guys like more themed Amazon hauls, like maybe just tech, maybe just activewear, loungewear, that kind of thing. Let me know and I can definitely do that going forward if it's easier to shop that way. But if not, this is kind of just random, like I said, things that I've been loving. So up first is this t-shirt lounge set. It is super soft. I love the material of it. I love how it feels. I am wearing a size large in it, typically because it's like loungewear and sleep shorts. I always size up to a large. The top is a little bit loose, but I just want to be comfortable when I buy these kind of lounge sets to be at home, especially working from home. I just want to be comfortable, and a lot of times I size up to get that added length because I am bigger, my hips and butt, so I just like that added length to kind of have a little bit more coverage. If you want something fitted, I would definitely go with your usual size. If you're a little bit curvier in the hips and butt, I would just size up if you typically do. If it's a comfort thing that you also do, just go ahead and size up. Now this does come in like 6 different colors. This one, to be exact, is called red brown. And this item is $35, Amazon Prime. I just absolutely love it. I also have it worn here with my Amazon slipper. Now these slippers I got probably 2 years ago. I think they still look in like great condition. Typically wear them a whole ton outside. I have like little slides at the door that if I need to like be out there with Ruby or whatever, I just slip those on. So these are definitely in-house wear, but such a great quality, super thick. It does have a little bit of a treading on the back. They come in a million different colors, and I think these are $20, where like I feel like you see them everywhere else and they're like 40 bucks. I'm like, no, I'm not paying $40 for a slipper. So anyways, another good find. Up next are these blue light blocking glasses. So I actually picked them up in a 5-pack, and the one that I don't have here are the gray ones. But essentially, because I'm always on my phone or working on a computer, I kind of just leave them laying around all over the house. I mean, I think they're kind of cute anyways, but I absolutely love them. I get a lot of headaches from staring at screens and then putting my neck kind of locks. It's like tight or whatever. So anyways, I just love having these hanging around. You can't beat the price. They are 5 for $12. Literally can't say enough good things about them. They're not too heavy. They're a great like durable plastic, and they don't feel cheap. So I absolutely love them. So I literally think this next share is like one of the greatest. These headbands come in a set of 3, and there's different color options. There's 2 different color options, but honestly, I don't think you can beat the price. I want to say this is $13 for these 3 pearl headbands, and they are literally such good quality. I have a lot of headbands, but nothing compares to these ones. I just think they are absolutely adorable, to wear. I just absolutely love the pearl detail with the little knotting up top. I just think they make any outfit look super cute. Of course, totally on trend. I mean, I've seen similar headbands for like $40 for one headband, which is crazy in my opinion. But I love that this comes in a 3-pack set, 2 different color options. If you do follow me on Instagram, I actually showed a reel of how I actually store these. So another Amazon find actually is this clear container that I put headbands, or I put scrunchies, hair scarves in, and then I put the headbands on it. So I'll put that here and leave a link down below in case you want to watch that. I would love that. But you just can't beat the price for these, and the quality is insane. Okay, then I want to share this bag. So I will insert a clip, but if you've watched my other videos, which thank you for doing that. If you've watched my other videos, you'll see that I have styled this bag several different ways, several times. I just love it. I think it is the perfect straw tote. It's less than $35. It might be right at $35. But I just absolutely think it is adorable. You can hold it this way, or of course just carry it. But you kind of just throw all your crap in it, and it's just such a good summer bag. So I absolutely have been loving it. And then I also want to share these braided sandals. Now they are slightly big on me, but I didn't want to go too small. I'm a 6.5, and sometimes sandals, like if I can't, this part gets too tight that I can't always get my foot all the way through. So anyways, I went with a size 38 on these. They fit good. They're a little bit looser. If you have a very narrow foot, I would say probably not for you because they are just a looser fit. But I have really loved wearing these. They're just comfortable. Like I wore them all around. I was gonna wear wedges one night to dinner, and thank God I didn't because we met up with friends and got drinks, and thank goodness I was in these because, and it was my first time wearing them actually, and it was just, they're super comfortable. So we walked like all over the city, which isn't that big, but you get it. It was like maybe 10, 12 blocks there and back. So it was a good walk. And yeah, these didn't give me any blisters. I was super comfortable. Now, one other thing that is relatively new, and I've only been using it for a week now, picked up this teeth whitening kit. It has a blue light technology. So you put the gel in the tray. And now this tray fits everybody's teeth size, which is kind of cool. So there's no like, you don't have to make molds or anything like that, which I really love. You simply put the gel through here, put it in, and then you hit the button and you can see the light here. And then after 10 minutes, it beeps and you know you're done. I just think it's so great. I love that it's timed actually, because I feel like the other ones that I've worn, of course you have to wear them so much longer, like 30 minutes or an hour, and like, you know, all that stuff just sits in your mouth, whatever. So I love that this is only 10 minutes and that it freaking beeps so you know when you're done with it. So I've been loving that. I do feel like I've noticed a difference, of course, like, what's that called? I feel like I've noticed a difference, but you also know like when you start shopping for a car, you see that car everywhere or whatever. So I'm gonna stick with it. 10 minutes a day. You can do it for 20 minutes if you wish, like 2 different times in the day or whatever. But I feel like, yeah, I feel like it's been whitening my teeth. I mean, I have fairly white teeth, so but I have been loving it. Oh, and the kit is under $40, and it's supposed to last like, I think it said like 50 different uses with the gel, the accelerator whitening gel, which is great because I feel like when you typically buy like Crest or other things, it's like a 30-day supply. So this should get you a longer supply, and it's only 40 bucks. So of course these oversized t-shirts have been a trend. I've worn this one quite often. It is such a soft wash t-shirt. I just think it's kind of cool, this little tie-dye. I have a couple oversized shirts that I picked up from Urban Outfitters, which I think they do it best with the graphic tees, the oversized graphic tees. However, those t-shirts are very thick. This is definitely a thinner material, and it's one that's great for like wearing like to the beach, over a swimsuit, at home, like, you know, when you get out of the shower and you're hot. Like, I just really love this. It's like a very worn kind of fit. And then of course this guy too is even longer. He's quite long, and this says just enjoy, nothing's forever. I just think a good reminder, but I love the color and the super oversized fit. Now, how I would wear these at home, of course, with just like sweatpants, but if I wanted to kind of make them a little bit more stylish, I would totally add biker shorts underneath. So biker shorts have been a huge trend as well this year. I have found these ones that I am absolutely obsessed with. If you guys follow me on Instagram, I probably talk about these once a week. And probably, honestly, I've talked about them a lot, or on my Like to Note account, where I upload daily outfits and products like literally 3 times a day. But anyways, I love these. I think they are such a good fit. I wear size medium. They have a pocket. They're super easy to wash, no shrinkage or anything like that. I picked them up in a different color here too. But anyways, I just love them because they are such a good quality. Now I love these because I feel like, while I haven't worn them in the gym just because they're shorter, I'm always doing deadlifts or squats, like it's just personal. I don't need my ass up for that. There are a lot of girls that wear biker shorts in the gym. I think they look super cute, but not for me. I like leggings when I'm at the gym, but I do wear these walking every day. So again, if you follow me on Instagram, I keep talking about how I keep talking to my friends like at 7:30, 8 o'clock in the morning when everybody's in their drive to work, or like dropping kids off at daycare or whatever. But I usually talk to my mom or my sister, but I have been trying to walk like 2 miles every day, 2 to 4 miles, honestly. And then at night, Pat and I always walk. And what I love about these is that, you know, my thighs touch, they don't rub through here, which is really nice. So just a really great quality short. And then of course you can style it with the t-shirt, or I'll show you also here with the activewear tops. Mine will go straight into the activewear tops. I personally wear these, like I would say 80% of my activewear, well 80 is a big number. I would say like 70% of my activewear is from Amazon, and I would say like 100%, 95% of it has been Amazon the last couple months, at least, ever since finding these bike shorts and then the leggings that I wear all the time. I'll link those below. They're in the wash. Anyways, with the biker shorts, I've been wearing these little tanks when I walk, and then of course I wear these when I work out. This is my absolute go-to tank. Pat actually found this black one for me. He's really good at Pat's really good at finding clothes, like activewear and stuff. He's very adventurous. Like he'll try like different boutiques and stuff. I like love it, just to surprise me. But anyways, yeah, this tank top is my absolute favorite. It's like a little V-neck. It's definitely crop. I love it. They hold up so well in the wash. And I love it styled with the biker shorts, but I also love them with loungewear, like just with leggings, or just sometimes like baggy sweatpants around the house. They have just such a good feel to them, and they do have a built-in shelf in here, so I can go without a bra with these, which I also love because, you know, it's summer and it's like crazy hot. I can go without a bra with them, but I think that would just be personal preference. So that's the V-neck one, and then this is a little bit more of a scoop neck. Love this. Also comes in several colors, and by the way, you guys, those ones and then this one, they're all under like $24. I love this one too because it has like, it's like a little bit of a V, and then it has like this ribbing down here, this band, but it's actually super flattering on. It doesn't really accentuate under your chest. Like sometimes I feel like that's a weird area, but it doesn't really do that. And it has this really pretty crisscross back. So just something totally different. Comes in several colors. I definitely have my eyes on this orange one. I just think it looks so pretty, and you know, orange and fall, it's just like great. Before we end our activewear selection, I have to say I also picked up this belt. If you walk and talk on your phone or listen to podcasts or listen to YouTube, you absolutely need this. This thing is just honestly the best $20 I've spent in a long while. I absolutely love it. You put your iPhone in right here. Of course, I listen to AirPods. So like, it's just a belt. It's stretchy, it's fabric. You put your iPhone in here. It doesn't come out, it flips. I've run on this. You can put it anywhere on your hips. It's just honestly like amazing. I love this thing. Okay, up next is this little beach cover up. So I got it in a size large. You can roll the sleeves and then fasten it, so if you want it to be a little bit shorter. It is a polyester fabric. I kind of thought it was linen or gauze online, but it is polyester. But yeah, just such a great cover up. I keep wearing this nonstop, and I think it looks cute with like undone over jean shorts and your bikini top too. Love it. It does come in 15 other colors. I'm wearing a large and it's $29. Picked up this dress. I got it in a size medium. I love how it fits. It has like this 2-tiered thing, but I just think this is such a pretty color for fall. I see wearing this with booties or over the knee boots and a hat. It's just such a good fall dress. Totally works for the office as well. Now this dress was, I believe, yep, $30. Oh no, there's actually a coupon going on right now, 10% off, but the dress is $30 and it comes in like 32 different colors and prints, but just such a good staple dress. And like I said, you could wear it with booties and a hat, and of course you could throw on sneakers with this to make it even more casual. Overall, just really love it. I picked up one other dress. So this is the Daily Ritual dress. Daily Ritual, I believe, is an Amazon brand. It's a long midi dress with a little V-neck. It is fleece, so you can, I don't know if you can see it on camera. Yeah, it is like a little fleece lined. So probably won't be able to actually wear this until it gets a little bit cooler because, like, you know, it's crazy hot out here. But I do think it's going to be a great staple dress. I totally see this with tennis shoes and a flannel tied around the waist, but of course you could dress this up with like a nice blazer and booties. You could wear this with like a nice jacket and over the knee boots as well to keep you nice and warm. But yeah, I got this dress in a medium. Overall, I like how it fits, and it's only $29. Okay, you guys, that is it for today's Amazon haul. Please do let me know if you liked this haul, if you want to see something else, if you want to see future Amazon hauls. Again, leave a comment. I'd just love to hear from you guys. I want to make sure that whatever I'm creating, you guys want to see and you enjoy. So please do leave me a comment. If you did like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Please hit that subscribe button. I would really love for each and every single one of you to join in here as a subscriber. That would be awesome. I'm learning quickly here since I've been on YouTube only for a month now. It is kind of crazy the amount of views you get, but then people don't hit the subscribe button, which dramatically helps out the creator. So just keep that in mind. I would love for you guys to hit that button and join in if you do like my videos. Also, I should have that Nordstrom haul, the Nordstrom anniversary sale haul up later this week. It really just depends on when that product ships. They've been having a lot of logistical issues. So hopefully I do get it in and up by the end of the week for those of you who are in influencer shopping, meaning influencer card holder, meaning that you have the Nordstrom credit card. If not, the sale does open up to the public, I believe, the 28th of July and ends August 8th. Hopefully there's restocks. Again, if you follow me on my Instagram and in my Like to Know It page, I keep everything up to date there on my picks and what I'm buying, and then what those stock, if it comes back in stock and such. So hopefully you enjoyed this video. I know Pat and I are huge Amazon shoppers, and I feel like it is literally taking over the world. But anyways, thanks for tuning in, and I hope to see you in my next video.